Good news, bookworms! Spotify is making sure you satisfy your bookish cravings on the app. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Spotify has launched a new feature called Page Match, which allows users to sync their progress across audiobooks, ebooks, and physical books. Now, instead of scratching heads wondering where they left off, users can scan a page and continue instantly in another format. If any Spotify user is reading a physical book or an ebook and wants to move to the audiobook, then just open the title on Spotify, tap the Page Match button, and select Scan to listen. After allowing camera access, take a photo of the page you're currently on, and voila! Spotify will match that page to the exact moment in the audiobook. There you'll see two options: play from here or save for later. The Page Match feature also works the other way. If you're listening and want to switch back to reading, then open the audiobook and tap the Page Match button. Tap Scan to read and scan any page in your book to ebook. Spotify will detect where you stop listening, and it'll then guide you by telling you to flip forward or backward until you reach the correct passage. Page Match will also roll out to audiobook listeners on iOS and Android by the end of February. Initially, it'll support most English language titles, with plans of expansion in the future. Spotify has also announced a collaboration with bookshop.org. Through this deal, users in the US and UK will be able to purchase physical books directly inside the Spotify app. This is like a bookworm's dream come true, isn't it? Tell us in the comments, like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.